Good morning. I'm going to show you how to make a simmer pot using things you probably have around the house. I always make my simmer pots with tea that I don't drink, so flavors that maybe I didn't like or just have been sitting around for a while. Actually, I haven't tried this one. It looks kind of good, but I think it will smell even better. So this one has like cinnamon, vanilla, ginger, black pepper, cloves, nutmeg. That's all what you're looking for. Stuff that smells good. This candy cane one is more peppermint, so you kind of have to match your ingredients. So I'm gonna go with this tea. Okay, pepper's gonna help with the next part. We're gonna use cinnamon, cloves, and pumpkin pie spice, which you might have all that already. Okay, so that should take about 20 minutes to start making the house smell really nice. I'm gonna just have it on a low heat. You can keep adding spices as the day goes on. I have oranges in it, and so I could add more oranges later in the day if I have it on a low heat for hours. And you're probably gonna need to add a cup of water every hour or so. Just as soon as it starts to get low, you don't want it to be burning at the bottom. Okay, so while I wait, let's make a matcha and some breakfast. Using a blender for my matcha. I had one of those little whisks. It didn't seem to always get it exactly without any clumps. Fill it up in the glass first instead of just pouring it in the blender, because otherwise I'll make too much or too little. Now you have your matcha powder. And I've been sweetening my matcha with honey. I've also used maple syrup, vanilla syrup. Okay. Lid. I don't know if you can see this, but the blender also makes it really frothy, which is just nice. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm starting to realize, like, obviously making a video every day in December is going to be hard, or was going to be hard, but I'm starting to realize just how hard that's gonna be to make 25 videos, or if I go through all the way through December, editing all of them. Today I scheduled out to record 3 different videos in one day, but I'm gonna have to do that multiple times, if not more, to get. This one isn't quite as good. I don't know why. It might be the mug. It tastes kind of soapy. Okay, this is to my taste, but English muffin, butter. I use oat milk butter, really good. Melt it in the microwave about 15 seconds until it's dripping butter. Then you're gonna take about a spoonful of nutritional yeast, sprinkle that on. It tastes like cheese, and sprinkle some salt, and it's all ready. Go to breakfast. Let's go check on that simmer pot. Okay, now that it's boiling a little bit, I'm gonna take the heat from a 4 and just leave it on this kind of between 2 and melt. It's gonna keep it hot, but it's not gonna keep boiling, and you'll be free to move around a little more. I forgot that. A handful of these and drop them into my simmer pot. So you can keep adding stuff as you go. Okay, so obviously you can't smell the simmer pot. I wish you could, but it smells really good. The cloves, let's see, the cloves are kind of an overpowering scent, but that is a strong smell. The cloves, and then yeah, it's really the cloves that are kind of the overpowering smell, so that's something that you can kind of add a little as you go, but it smells really good. It smells kind of like a chai, probably because a lot of similar spices in there. And then just adding the oranges, cranberries. You can add apples and cinnamon. If you do this candy cane one, sometimes I just put the tea bags, I just open it up and just put that in the water, and that's it, and that smells really good. Yeah, go ahead and comment down below if you have a thing that you like to put in yours. I'm gonna be making some garland with the cranberries and the rest of the oranges. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye. Thanks for watching.